Hey guys, just gonna go some recaps real quick. Basically did have some fun internet this morning, but MLGO and AGFRY early from pre. You can tell this was the one right here, just popped up out of nowhere, kept eyes on it, popped up again in pre. Started doing this open channel right here, this little breakout and this beautiful ascending wedge, slowly just suckering in people to suck in this for shorts or the losses up here, right here. So right here, another pop. You'll see another pretty much ascending wedge here build up. Good, just overcast it, so it has to break down a little bit. But this is clearly the area that it wants to get out of, that 70-63 area. I think that's the area I had earlier today. I have some orders still stuck up here that I got missed out on because I didn't get it quick enough. Still taking trades at 11:38 right now. Just took about 4 of those. And you'll start seeing this break out of here. And then they can't stop the party right here. So if you're taking at your next one right here, and you're looking at your next projections right here, and they're just blowing through all those. I just took that 11:38, which you'll see this large sell-off candle right here. And then if you're going to take another quick one right here, you just go on top, sit there. Don't choose too large of a item right there, and let's see if it can prove itself. Otherwise, the best thing to do is let it die off and go to these previous areas right here, because now you're seeing this top is not as high as there. So basically, it just doesn't have time. And then when all these starts busting down and breaking down, it will do a much, much larger pullback. So that's basically what you're looking at right here. Otherwise, just let it settle down. Big trade right over here, this previous area. You'll basically see that it's basing, then it breaks out. So very good trades on that. The other one was AGFY right here. I think, let me pull that up real quick. Yeah, that's going down, so I can stop looking at that for a bit. Right here, this is under VWAP, but good climber in pre. You'll see that very easy like that, and then it triple topped right here. If you see these right here, it's basically just a sign of turnaround. So hopefully you got in this trade. This is the 5-minute open range trade. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it broke the tops of these. So that would have been your clear entry right up here. That's also an exact chart from maybe a month or two ago at the 7390 breakdown. I think we had REVB breakdown, then it broke up a little bit. So I'm going to look at that real quick. REVB Sciences, yeah. So right here it had a 2 quick pops over this. And then it just really couldn't hold the fizzle right here. It did break back up, tried for that VWAP kiss. So if you had that move, that's not a bad move. $2.60 to $3, easy move right there. And just other stocks just looking good. I think this is continuing to break out right at that little, right at that level. Should have just stayed on that. It is definitely full on now. So it's all good in the hood. And let me see if I can pull this over a little bit more, because yeah, that was the area I was looking at, 1150. See right here, 1150, 1170 area, right here, that little breakout area. You would have seen that pop up right there. Now it's kind of wishy-washy, a little chase right here. I mean, this would be the craziest trade to do right here, is if you went in here. If you're going to do anything, let it come retest this area right here, 1182. And see if you can get a quick bounce. Otherwise, just let it go. I mean, if you missed it, you missed it. Kiss it. Otherwise, it might pull back and test shares that were there previously. So we'll see if it can go. Another little trick is try to do a half candle right here. So we'll just put one real quick at where it started the party for a small gain. And I'm just doing shares here. I don't like stock trading at this time of the day. But look, it's continuing to go up. So right here, there's your pullback. You had a pullback and then a re-break of that 1223 area. So it's kind of still fizzling right here. Big climb. So big climb. There's got to be something that's going to pull it down. So I really don't want to be on the onslaught. What I'm actually going to do is I am going to leave these trades on here. They're not big enough. They're going to just come down, wiggle back up as the stock tries to go up, as the sell-off goes on. So I'm just going to leave those on there for you. And that's pretty much it. Easy trades today. If you got to just pick the 1 or 2 stocks that were looking really prime at the open, REVB for 1 pop and AGFRY for a pop, but MLGO just because there's a lot of shorts that are trading against it over here, and it's still climbing. It climbed $1 while we were yapping. So, hey, y'all have a good one. And anybody needs any help for any private lessons, reach out. Be glad to help you. Thank you so much.